What's going on, everybody? Noel here again, back on another video. So today I am here at Bob Marley Museum, and today is a special day. Today is Bob Marley's birthday, February the 6th. You know, every year people from all over the world and all over Jamaica come here to celebrate the birthday of Bob Marley and his legacy. So today's vlog is about Bob Marley and showing you guys the inside and what is happening and things. So if you're interested in seeing that, and if you weren't able to make it and you want to see what happened, well, you're at the right place. So stay tuned, like the video, and sit back and watch. Alright, so first thing first, this is 56 Hope Road. And no, not going to lie, the vibe and everything here is lovely. The vibe is nice. So a lot of children are here, a lot of schoolers, and this happens every year. So here is Bob himself, and today he would have been 81 years old.
Always find a reason to fight me from day one. Still the songs I love to play some live on every station. No interview, no interrogation.
And you know, people, today's video is just a chill walkthrough video, just showcasing all of what is happening over here. But before I move on, I want to see this guy. Wow, man. And then, you don't know, people, right here we have the great Bob himself. The great Bob himself. Yeah. So first thing first, people, the vibe over here is crazy. There are children everywhere playing. I wish when I was younger I could have get to experience something like this. But at least I get to do it now. And for those of who cannot be here, for those of who don't know that this is happening and miss it, then you're at the right place and you're on the right video, watching what's happening here. Alright, so right here we have robotics booth. And I don't know, this is a very innovative, the wheels are off. So this booth is a very innovative booth. What is this right here? Yes, sir? Oh, it's a robot. Wait, though. Hold on. Hold on there. I'm gonna ask you. Tell me about it.
No, I'm saying that we use it to do competition robotics. We use it to study speed, velocity, and acceleration in physics. You know, math class, perimeter, area, the works. Yeah.
Alright. And then which company is this?
KRW Electronics.
Alright.
Big up.
Alright, so there you have it. Hope you guys are hearing me because this is the first time I'm using this mic and thing. So right here they're doing the art and craft and it's looking lovely. It's looking good. And you enjoy this? You enjoy this? This is how you had to know. Oh, yeah, colored. Okay. Alright. And right here they are doing knitting. I hope I have it correct. Yeah. Alright, let's check on a different section now. And right here we have Bob and Rita Marley Foundation. Okay. Alright, so this foundation was directly started from Rita Marley. And right here we have Bob and Rita. Eh?
Is that media station?
No, YouTube vlog.
Oh,
Yeah.
is that my interview?
Eh?
I mean, you wonder if I can give an interview?
Alright. Alright, people, so this guy said more do an interview, so I say him upset.
Alright, man. On. Good afternoon. I am Wonderful the Maroon from TikTok. I am here celebrating Bob Marley's birthday. You know that it's a reggae icon. So I have to be here because I'm a Maroon. So I have to be here. So you know guys, Bob Marley left a legacy behind, a great legacy behind. And we are supposed to pass on the baton as a Maroon. You understand? Later on, down by Motivation Park, we're going to have the grand finale. And also people, make your way down by here now, at the Bob Marley Museum now. Excitement, back at things. I praising of reggae music, reggae culture. Make your way down here. Peace and love, one unity, one Jamaica, one Derval, one Maroon. Yeah.
Alright, big up yourself. And then over here, my people, they are doing painting and some artistic stuff. I hope I am saying it correctly. And then right here, they are doing some molding. You know them things here? So you know them things here? I think so me in the way I get to do for myself when I'm younger. And it's a good look for say them are doing this right here. And right here, they are doing more painting, but they are doing back designs. It's a good look. Love it. So, I be a good vibes I go on people. It's a good look. But not like if I wasn't vlogging, I would be here doing some painting and taking part in the activities as well. Alright, so we're gonna walk through some more. Well, we are walking through some more and trying to find something more else that is interesting to show you guys. Alright, we have Hope Zoo on this side. So right here we have Hope Zoo. Let's see what they have to show us. First thing first is a turtle shell. Okay, it's a crocodile skin. The crocodile skin. Mad. Nah lie. This will be the first time I touch a crocodile skin. Yo, the crocodile skin is thick. Oh wait.
It's a crocodile.
Right here we have a real. Hey, mind the cage. Eh? For vlog man. For vlog. Okay, I peek by him, sir. Whoa. Oh, can I touch him too?
Yeah.
Alright. I want to pin on this there real quick. Alright, so okay, whoa. Yo, and you're so soft and up here so thick. Okay, and this is the tail. Whoa. So all of this are muscle right here, so. No joke. And this animal is a part of our national animal, so they are a part of the coat arms. Feels good. Alright, mad. And right here we have some bunny rabbits. Oh, them feel soft and nice. Okay. And then right here we'll have a tortoise. Turtle. Yeah. Oh wait, they have snake too as well. We can touch the snake. Can I touch the snake? Whoa. Yo, him strong. And this is a baby one. Oh, those kids here. This is a baby one. Okay. Alright. Alright, this is a lion skin. So right here we have a lion skin. This is a headpiece. Yes, this is a headpiece. Okay. And this is one now. Deer. Oh, this is a deer. Wait, called antelope. Deer. And this is an elephant. Buffalo. Okay. Alright. Wait, this is one now. Elephant.
Camels.
Oh, yeah, it is. Okay, so this is a camel skull. Yo. Wow. That's a camel a little big. Yes, sir. Look at the teeth, them.
We're here to celebrate this icon of Jamaica and just continue to enjoy.
Alright, so back on the move. And then right here now we have this lovely boot and thing. Tell me something, what is this boot about?
It's about different albums of Bob Marley.
Oh,
You know, we have different booklets.
oh, hold on there. Let me tell me one more time. So we can hear
We
you.
have different albums
No,
from.
make it hold it. Alright, tell me one more time.
We have different albums of Bob Marley. We have flags. We have booklets that show you the history. That's where it's coming from. And as you can see, different put pictures of other great legends. Yes, and so today we're just celebrating his birthday with the Jamaican nationality. As you can see, we have bags, we have beadies, we have Rasta cap. Yeah, so we have the Rasta cap that represents Bob Marley himself. So yes.
And then we have like this, how much you
$50. Yes, $50 USD, right.
And how much the MD?
Um,
How much the MD is that?
that would run maybe to about $6,000. Yeah. And we have beadies for $50, $20, $10. Yeah. So basically,
Where's the shop name?
Bongo Herman.
Bongo Ribbon.
Bongo Herman.
Urban.
Yeah, Bongo Herman. Yeah.
And then other farms here, where them can find these items, where them closer?
Bongo Herman right here.
Or just here alone?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, alright.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, man. Alright, so. And then right here now, we have the kiddies' playroom. Well, not a room, but you know, the section where you can get wild and just, you know, go all out. Alright, people, so we are going to go all the way on the next side. We are going to go. So the fun doesn't just finish here. The fun doesn't just finish around here. I think there's a lot more happening on the next side, which is around the back. So we're going to head to that direction now and see. But yeah, people, so you know Bob Marley didn't just make music. Bob Marley actually changed the world, you know. Yes, Bob Marley actually changed the world, you know. He didn't just say in record music. He record music with a purpose of saying, alright, more on the music have a great impact. I want it to live on for generation and live on forever, basically, you know. So that was one of Bob Marley's aim, and he did accomplish that. He passed away very young, but But you know, at least he managed to leave a legacy. Over here we have the sons of Bob himself and thing. I think around this side they are getting ready to do a live stream and a live performance over here. So this is basically the adult section where all the adults, all the big people them are gonna come through. Man like Orius, what go on? What go on? Yes,
One love, Bob Marley, Jamaica.
right, what's it that way? Jamaica shirt then.
No.
You're
We Rasta inside. Red. Rasta. One love, Jamaica.
Man. Well, you are rep Red Stripe, Last in Time, and so you are rep CH Media. What we are work for?
Free branded.
Alright people, so I'm gonna confirm. Huh? Where sir?
Go on.
Oh there when I go through, you know? Big up. Alright, so over here we have the Kuya booth, and it's pretty straightforward. They are selling clothes, Jamaican team clothes, Bob Marley team clothes and thing. And you know, it's a good look, it's a good vibes. And the clothes them look good. Look at this. That looks good. Clothes them look good. I would buy something for myself. Big up. Alright. And then over here we have this booth is called Earth Treasures. And they have a lot of natural elements, type of bracelets and necklace and you know jewelries and those stuffs to wear. And this right here, what is this? These are, you know, I'm not even sure what is this. Hello. It's a showcase booth, you know?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Huh?
Who are you?
I am Noel. My channel is called YowNoel. I do YouTube vlogs
Okay.
and thing.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm Miss Lavender.
Oh, you gonna show me what I go on? Alright.
Oh Lord, you put at the big old mic. Hello, sir, you need help? Hold on.
Oh, you ain't finished, man. Yeah, she's gonna serve a customer right now, and then she's gonna show you a quick one to offer her booth. And she has some really interesting pieces, and no joke, pieces them nice. Yeah. All right, so right here we have Grabber Belch. Oh, this is your thing? Okay, so. Oh, hold on.
Yes, I. Well, I name Grabber Belch, and right here, so when you come here, so you get all natural juices, you see me? You can't get your spirulina, you can't get mango, you can't get thinking to one tambourine. May have the pitch tent, may have the knee remover, may have, you know, a lot of flavor. Cause right now, may have like 100 flavor in my head, but me only put out like 14 on the board, you see me? Yeah. So. Alright, then you can find me at the Kingston Night Market every Tuesday from 5 till 11, right? And today Bob Marley birthday, you know, right? So here one now. When I was a little child, happiness was there a while. Then from me it slipped one day, and it seemed like it's got to stay. But if it don't come, I'ma go looking else for happiness. Yeah, you know, Matthew just said that. They say, happy birthday, Bob Marley. Well, on you know? You know why me a Bob Marley? You know why? Never tell the world. Because the world is full up a pothole. So him alone could have Marley.
Alright, mad. Alright, so we're going to walk again now and see what else we can showcase, you know, before the crowd reach, because there's a lot of people pouring in right now. Right here, we have a nice Bob Marley sign. This is, I believe this is Young Bob. Yes, I believe this is Young Bob right here. They did label it. And over here now, we have I Nation books and necessities. I Nation. You know, these are some really nice books, you know, educational books, nothing but educational. And around here we have some natural products. Blessings. Alright, so we move to a different section now. We have here some natural roots as well. Yes. And then now, just a few more booths are left down at this side. This is Kumba Ujama. Alright. That must be an African name. But they have clothing as well here. Some lovely clothing. If you're into clothes like this, it's all here. And then over here, we have some nice necklace and bracelets right here. And earrings as well. Hello. Oh, may I do a vlog? Okay. Yeah. And then over here we have some nice, what do you call this now? Sculpture or wood carving of Bob and some African theme things. And some other stuffs as well. Yeah. And then this booth is called Crafts and Trinkets. So if you are into these things, you can always look them up on the internet. Craft and Trinkets. Here it is. This piece here is nice. Nice souvenir. And they have some paintings as well. So if you are into paintings like this, yes. So a lot of good stuff. First, I see them type of things here as well. Them design here is very unique. Alright. Alright, my people. So I think that's it for the tour. So now I'm going to try to capture some of the performance and thing. And as you can see, people, there's a lot of tourists here. A lot of people from all around the world is here. So, just as I said earlier, people from all over the world come here just to celebrate Bob Marley birthday. Alright, so this right here is the vibe section where you can come and dance and just enjoy your time. Yeah. When the music hits, you feel no pain. That is it. But alright, if I don't have a phone, but I go dance like that right now. And around here, we have the artists, the different artists that is going to perform very, very soon. I'm going to try to stay tuned for some of that, people. So don't go as yet. I need to show some performance. And oh yeah, the number one thing is everything here is free. No, sorry, the performance is free and the entry fee is free.
Yes.
And he was also born on this day, February the 6th. We celebrate the Earth Strong of Bob Marley, 81 years of good music and good liberty and good legacy. We also recognize Cat Core here today, who left us as well recently, and all of the others. Dennis Brown, also born on this day. Jamaica has so much to offer. So ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a moment of silence as we recognize all the greats and I can't list them all right now. But let's pay some respect on this day. Jimmy Cliff and others. Ladies and gentlemen, a moment of silence, please. Thank you. And now it's time to begin our Live at Bob show. We bring to the stage 11!
Yes. Give thanks. Greetings. Yeah, man, it's a pleasure and a joy to be here. Yeah, man, on this beautiful day, we salute the legendary Bob. I'm here today to showcase some of my work. I hope you appreciate of it. Yeah, man, we're here to... Yes, sir! Say we tried a long time. Long time. Hey, I'm still don't look pretty. Poor people still living in poverty. See them now, mama working me all day. On our feet, all the youth want food to eat. The rest of it up and the sugar keeps moving on. Despite the pressure, for this we keep driving on. The Lord is a God and a protection. Oh, Judge, I need us. God, oh, it's broken to our family so wide. And I it's deeper to our river. Runs dry, still I keep trying on. Keep moving on. See, life hard, but we still a try. Life rocky, but we still a strive. Turn a dark, but we still light. March up without a try. So mama, wipe the tears from your eyes.
Artist, and now I'm gonna do a rendition of Waiting in Vain. Yeah. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain. From the very first time I placed my eyes on you, my heart said follow through. But I know now that I've laid down on your line. But the waiting is fine. But don't treat me like a puppet on a string. 'Cause I know how to do my thing. Don't talk to me as if you think I'm dumb. I wanna know when you're gonna come. Say, I don't wanna wait forever. I don't wanna wait today. I don't wanna wait for your love. I don't wanna wait
UK dub scene, Latin America, and of course Jamaica. She has had over 35 years in reggae, and she has worked with legendary artists like Max Romeo, Luciano, Linval Thompson, and recorded music in iconic studios like our very own Tough God.
Jump tight, ba 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 ba, live ba 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 ba, ba 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 ba. I'm gonna break to let my heart live in a happy life, the life I and I deserve. A peaceful life, full of respect is what I'm looking for. Out of our way of problems, the problems of Babylon. No more misery for me, no more misery on my mind. In my heart and only prosperity, poor man left to behind, and I stay life. It's so beautiful, like to live it to the fullest. Don't watch no obstacle, take it one step at a time. Put your best foot forward. Let's stand and feel, step behind. Send the praises up, send the praises up, and the blessing comes down. Send the praises up, send the praises up, and the blessing comes down. And those days of misery.
Alright, so that's a wrap for today's video, my people. If you have enjoyed the content that I brought to you, please let me know in the comment section. Drop a like just by enjoying it, you know. Also, did you enjoy the singing? I did, you know. It's natural reggae music, you know. And so there's a lot more performance in the lineup, but I won't be able to stay any longer and showcase that, you know. So for example, his sons and grandsons will be performing soon, you know. So all that is here lined up. As you can see, it's people from all over the world that come here today to watch, to explore, to look, and to perform, to celebrate Bob Marley. So it's a good look each and every year, people. And if you want to experience something like this, it happens every year on his birthday. So you can put it to your bucket list, you know. Also, there will be another live show, a bigger show later on in the night, but I will be attending that, but I won't film it or anything. But I am heading home now. That's all for today's video, people. You know, drop something nice and positive in the comment section. All right, thank you. I'm out.